It's your boy Sully Man Vlogs. Y'all go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you won't miss a video. DJ Kid, this is hit for show. What's up, you guys? It's your boy Sully Man Vlogs, back up in this thing with another lit one. And today we're about to head down here to Little Rock, go see this Cars and Carnitas show. It's gonna be a pretty good show, I'm sure, because the weather is real good today. I've been hearing a lot of things, you know, around town, people ready to go see another good show. So it's Sunday fun day, guys. So I'm pretty sure we in for it today. Hopefully they're gonna have some real good stuff. And I'm about to warm my Chrysler up, dry this thing. Yo, let's go on ahead, see what they got out there, y'all. We're gonna get lit, and I'll check back in with you guys. Yes, sir. Thing looking good on them 22s. Let's go ahead and warm up, get out here, and have some fun. Yes, sir. Start up. Sunroof up. Yes, sir. We're at the gas station. We need some gas real bad, so we finna handle that right now, y'all. Gotta fix that. Somebody got the horse on the trailer over there. Go ahead and get this thing gassed up, y'all. You know them Hemis love to drink. That's all they do. Alright, guys, so yeah, we made it. Got a couple good cars out here, so we're gonna get out real quick, check them out, see what's up. Look like they brought them out here today, y'all. See what we got. I like how he painted that cover on the Hellcat. Staying clean. Them wheels on there. Nice. You got the decals on the tail lights. The blue emblem. The Track Hawk.
Is that like your work? Automatic cruise control? Again, I'm not the Track Hawk. What kind of Track Hawk does?
It's a big boy right there.
It could be a down bad Track Hawk, you never know.
I like that Hawk. Got the Stang. Must be an eco booth. What's up, man? Sound good. Man, look at that. Oh, this thing makes some real power. Nice. Pro Charger. So I think about this one. Who y'all know they can try this one? This thing right here is a classic. Got it real clean, y'all. This is my buddy's car. Turbo Focus. I got my car sitting over here, y'all. Gotta include my own. Excuse me. Look at this 5.0. This thing looking good. With the wheels on there. Like them tail lights. I think these are European style. Got the quad pipes. Real nice. This thing real clean. I'm loving these wheels.
That it was like it's different.
Man, look at this beast. You know I love the Mustang. Got Mach 1. Love it, love it. This thing is ridiculous. Like the color on there. Still thinking about getting one of those, y'all. One day. Out here at the restaurant. Mar E Tiara Cantina. Y'all support them. We appreciate them letting us have a car show over here. It's the Jag. Like that. Oh yeah. Got that LSU. Hellcat. Y'all, he went all in on this car right here. All in. He actually came to my car show with this car. Definitely stood out. Got the light and trans lights. Y'all see it though, man. It wrap going crazy. Yeah, this thing hard. Definitely clean. Clean, clean. The mats and all that. That's wild right there. This thing, y'all, I like this wrap on here. It's clean. Half and half. It's nice.
Well, being a standard, you can't remote start it, so I got the cones out of the way, started it.
Rainbow going.
The guy goes, oh, that's how it works. I said, yeah. You say you want to sell it? I said, everything I got's got a price. I've had it for 5 years.
I'm so proud of you, actually. I want to give you a picture sometime, because I'm proud of you.
Man, so I finally got back home. I just want to say, had a great time. Definitely would go back to that show. Some real nice people out there I met. Got the Chrysler all put back up. He put up for a minute, but got some surprises coming for this car, man. It's gonna be crazy, so y'all just stay tuned. Like I said, keep on watching. You will not be disappointed. But I'm gonna go on ahead and get out of this thing, y'all. I'm tired, man. I need to go in here and get something to eat. So I'm finna go in here and chill. But until next time, guys, want y'all to like, comment, subscribe. If you're brand new, go on ahead and hit that notification bell so you'll get every video. But all right, guys, love y'all. Peace out.
Sully Man Vlogs making movies.